Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to the channel as we begin the second weekend of October. It is October 11th, 2025. CMA's here, along with BNSF Railfan Productions. It's 1423 coming to you from the Phillips YMCA Indoor Sports Center in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. With a video lined up for you. Currently at the Barron County Railroad Club, as I'm in action as well too. I got the L519 coming up and it's pacing alongside the Wisconsin Northern Local as well. Check them out on the road, guys. We're going back and get them. Here we go. These cars on the tail, I have to apply decals on there, which I will plan on doing so after my run. Meanwhile, in the yard area, we've got a load of coal train on building process at the moment with a manifest freight that is just recently around here. Trail BNSF power further up. We have the BNSF 5620, 8802, the SD70 Mac, and there's an Ace up there too. And back here we have Montana and Railink SD70 Ace 4306. That'll be running as rear DPU and the train is all together. Time is on the step though, but I'm not sure if it's going to be extended. We'll see what happens. We've got other operating layouts around here. Capital Engine Futures is also here. And we also have renowned author Arlen Colby of Barron Books. There's Barron, Wisconsin here. So he just did another release of his new hard copy that he completed later. Yes, please come on and stop on out to the show. This will also be aired again tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 3. So we're here till 5 this afternoon. So you're more than welcome to join us for this show, hosted by the Wisconsin Railroad Club. John's Trains and Hobbies from Davenport, Iowa here. Husky's Trains in Minnesota. And for the first time, we have Big John's model trains from out of Minnesota. They decided to join us this year. Cool Train Guys is also here. Switching game also here too. Play the switching game with the old gentleman there. Like I said, please come on and join us. We'd be happy to see you here. So with that, I'll probably end the video now and hope you had a wonderful time. So with that, I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. And maybe I might see you here at the show. Once again, thanks for watching. See you and Hayes out.